Hi, it's Monty Mythen here. I want to start by saying thank you for your interest in EBPOM London 2020. Now, many of you over the years have come to join us here in London for our events. We've been going for over 20 years, the original Perioperative medicine meeting. As you know, COVID-19 this year has had a huge impact on all of our lives. So we've converted into a so-called virtual event. So we're going to be coming to you online. Now, we're still going to actually be live. We're going to be doing an event here from where I'm standing at the moment in the Top Med Talk studios in West London. So I'm standing at the moment in front of a film crew that's come in to start pre-recording lectures that are going to be available online for you starting next Saturday. So I'm going to give a number of little teaser instructions bit by bit as we get closer to the event. So this is the first one. Start to watch out for all the instructions that come through. It's currently Friday, tomorrow being Saturday the 20th of June, and that's 1 week until our pre-recorded lectures go live. So Saturday the 27th of June, you'll have a full tranche of pre-recorded lectures to start watching in preparation for our actual live event that starts on the 30th of June. More to follow.